Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode in Chrome. So if you want to enable developer mode in Chrome, here's what you have to do. Go to your search bar and put in this address. Hit on enter. It will take you to this page. So what you have to do is to navigate to the top right corner and enable developer mode. This will give you option to discover more extensions and themes on the web store, on Chrome Web Store, and you can now load, unpacked, pack extension and update your extensions. That's how you enable developer mode in Chrome. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.